Fusion 360 versus FreeCAD. Let's get started. So let's start with Fusion 360. So it's a cloud-based 3D CAD, CAM, and CAE platform for product design, mechanical engineering, and prototyping. FreeCAD, on the other hand, is a fully open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler, ideal for mechanical engineering and design customization. Now let's talk about the pros. So Fusion 360 offers a cloud-based access with built-in rendering, simulation, and CAM. It also has a polished interface and professional-grade features, and excellent for product design and rapid prototyping, and it's also free for studies and students, hobbyists, and startups. Now, for FreeCAD, it offers 100% open source and free. There's no license restrictions, a strong parametric modeling, and customizable workbench. It's also highly extensible via Python scripting and community plugins. And they have a full local control, and it runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The only downside is it has a UI which is very clunky and not beginner friendly. So in conclusion, choose Fusion 360 if you want a professional user-friendly CAD experience, and choose FreeCAD if you want a completely free, offline open source solution with full customization.